Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So I am currently with my mates Byron and my cousin Noah, and right now we're going to be doing a hike. We're going to a waterfall, which is like maybe 20 minutes down there, walking down there. How long do you reckon? Like 20 minutes? So we're going to go down there, jump off a waterfall, maybe go for a swim. Apparently it's really cold down there. So yeah, catch you there.
I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all.
Alrighty, so hike is done. About 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. Phew. Look at this, guys. Arrived at the waterfall. Let's get some diving clips. Nah, I'm not gonna dive. You
got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean.
I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window.
You've been playing my mind lately, turning around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean.
hands up. Alrighty, guys. So we just got done doing the cliff jump. It's like an awesome cliff jump. It's so good. It's like perfect size. I did a back flip and a front flip and a couple of other jumps. They just jumped, but Byron said he might do a back flip, so that's sick. So right now we're gonna go for a walk just down there. It looks kind of cool.
By the hand of the Almighty, we've forgotten this generation. Triumphantly, won't you help to sing?